How to apply equalizer settings in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, scroll down to the audio editing tools section and tap on the equalizer option. Then select the audio file you want to enhance by importing it into the app. Once the file is loaded, you will see an 18-band equalizer with sliders for different frequency ranges, starting from low frequencies like 65 Hz, 92 Hz, 131 Hz, and moving up to high frequencies up to 20,000 Hz. You can manually adjust each slider to fine-tune the sound, balance vocals, instruments, or background music and create the perfect audio mix for your project. Preview the audio after making adjustments to ensure that the sound is clear, balanced, and professional. When you are satisfied with the equalizer settings, tap the Save button to apply the changes. The edited audio file will be saved to your device, ready for further editing, sharing, or use in your project. Now you know how to apply equalizer settings in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.